Please now hit. Okay. Yo, what's up guys, Razor here, welcome to new video on my channel. Today I recording Keydrop, $760 on my balance. Before I start, don't forget to use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Click on promotional code top left corner. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click collect. Also you can click on add funds in top right corner. In a promo code box you can enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and click apply. 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. If you're looking for free gold, click on free gold section, scroll down and you can find steps how to claim free gold. So easy steps to claim: follow Keydrop on Instagram, like Keydrop on Facebook, join on Steam group and more. Just scroll to find all steps. On Keydrop you can join on events, tournaments, giveaways. You can join on this one event, major event. You can buy cases from major event. You can create case battles, you can upgrade your skins, open cases and more. Okay, first I will open 5 of them. Let me see, major case. Okay, first one case 9.29. Okay, let's open again. One more, come on. Oh my god, imagine $100 voucher. But not bad, this one 11. Let's open 5 more, come on. 5 more. Imagine knife, guys. Oh my gosh, so close. Okay, let's start with case battle. Also guys, you can join on free case battles. You just need to find case battle with free icon, green icon, and you can join in free case battle. So let me see which one case battle. Need to change price. Maybe this one, $40 case battle. Case from major event. Come on bro, please profit here. Oh my gosh, so close. Karambit Doppler, so close. No way, only 17. Let's try to upgrade. Hunting 5x here. Looking for gloves. Come on, 17%, please. Stop. Okay, unlucky. First one upgrade today. Let's create one knife case battle maybe. Okay, this one, $160 case battle. Looking for player, please join. Okay, come on Bresky, profit here. Be left please, come on. Okay, I win, 2 knives. Go upgrade 2 knives maybe. Hunting 2x. Hunting, maybe Bowie knife case hardened. And let's add little balance. $40. Okay, come on, please. No way. My gosh, no way guys. 500 on my balance. Let's open YouTube cases. 5 of them, $19. Okay, come on, it needs some good. Oh shit. Let's sell, open again. No way, man, please. Let's try with 3 of them. Come on. Only deagles, what the hell? 3 more. Oh my god. Okay, 3 more and I'm out. Come on, please. Okay, let's try with contracts now. Let's try to contract all skins. Okay, $15. Come on, please. Only four. Unlucky. So unlucky this one. Let's sell this one skin. Or try to upgrade maybe 10x. Yeah, let's try with 10x. This one M4, come on. Yeah, unlucky. Only 8%. Okay, I will create one more knife battle maybe. One more knife battle. This one 160. Okay. Let's join. Let's join, bro. Okay, let's see this one. Please hit me some good knife, please, dude. Okay, I win, I think. 126, 2 knives again. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Let's try with one more maybe. Or can I open maybe knife case? Yeah, I can open. Let's open this one. $150. Please, dude. Come on. Come on. Hit me some good skin. Stop, 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 stop. No way. No way. Okay, let's open this one. Gloves case. Come on. Come on, broski, please. Stop, 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 stop. Oh my god. Only 93. Go upgrade. 2x. Looking for this one knife. Come on. Stop! Stop! No, my god. Oh my god. This one knife 2x. Hunting. Classic knife maybe. Come on. I can't hit 2x. Only 2x. What the hell? Okay, let's try with 5x. 5x fade, please. Please, dude. Please, now hit. Okay, nice! Let's go! Let's go, guys! 620. No way, no way. Okay, guys, today not bad. I made profit on Keydrop, 2 knives, this one fade and this one safari mesh. So use my promo code Razor Affiliate, click add fonts in top right corner. In a promo code box enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye.